Sa may ano?
Doon, sa may...
Gilid. Okay.
Saka hindi kami interested dyan. Ito namin ang pusin.
Wow! Try it!
What's up guys, Airsoft Mama here, and today we're playing CQB and things just got more interesting because me and my husband John are enemies for this match. It's a defend the flag scenario. My team is holding it down and John's squad is coming in hot on the assault. So our job here is to lock it down, outplay them, and shut the push down fast as we can. Yeah, and we're gonna try that. So me and my teammate are going wide for a flank and hitting them where they don't expect it. So this is no mercy, no free passes, so make sure you watch the whole video so you can see who controls the field. So let's go guys, game on and heartbeat up.
Sige, kayo dalawa ni Kiko.
Kami na dalawa ni Kiko
Ang sumugod.
ang assault. Okay. Okay, sige.
And so, where's the flag?
Eto.
Flag here.
Okay. There's a for that black.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Kiko, Yasmin.
And so, we'll make lagari with each other. Sticking each other. Hey!
Let's go, Kiko.
No, you go with Yasmin and you guys.